Morning came. I was awoken by the clamor of noisy teens. Teens fighting for our future, our kids' future, the future. I begged to go, to help, to achieve a future at all. But all I got in return was, it's too dangerous, it's useless. All I heard was Gen X and Baby Boomer. Now, rewind to yesterday. I went out to eat with my family. Everything was covered in plastic. Utensils, plates, cups, everything. Sure, plastic that ends up in the ocean kills marine life. But what about the smoke that comes from the factories? Not only is the ozone layer damaged eternally from these plastic factories, but also from the overwhelming amounts of metal being produced. Metal, a so-called sustainable and reusable substitute for plastic. Straws, cups, bottles, all used to sustain the damaged environment. But what exactly are they sustaining? The smoked up atmosphere? As well as metal, paper is replacing plastic too. But where does this paper come from? The human need for paper, the cause of deforestation.